Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix box login problems, account and permission errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening a few different websites to confirm it is stable. Next, verify you are using the correct box URL for your organization, such as box.com or a company SSO login page. Then, type your email address carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. After that, re-enter your password slowly and confirm caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. If you forgot the password, click Forgot Password and complete the reset using the email inbox you registered with. If the reset email does not arrive, check spam, junk, promotions, and any company email quarantine folders. Now, try signing in using a private or incognito browser window to avoid cached session conflicts. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies for Box, then fully close and reopen the browser. After that, disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, script blockers, and password managers. Then, try a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to rule out a browser-specific issue. If you use the Box desktop app, sign out completely, close the app, and sign in again. On mobile, force close the Box app, restart the phone, and try logging in again. If the login page loops or freezes, turn off any VPN or proxy and try from a normal network. If you must use a VPN for work, switch to a different VPN server region and retry the login. When you see an account is locked message, wait the stated time or request an unlock from your admin. If you see access denied or insufficient permissions, confirm you are using the correct company account, not a personal Box account. Next, open your email and search for Box invitations, then accept any pending invite to the enterprise account. If you are removed from a folder, ask the folder owner to re-invite you with the correct permission level. If you cannot access specific files, request viewer, editor, or co-owner access based on what you need to do. For shared links, ask the sender to adjust link settings like people in your company or people with the link if allowed. If you are blocked by device trust or security policy, register your device using your company's endpoint or MDM instructions. If SSO fails, confirm your company identity provider password works by logging into other corporate apps first. Then, check the time and date on your device, because incorrect time can break secure sign-in tokens. If you get repeated permission errors, ask your Box admin to verify your user role, groups, and license status. Also ask the admin to check whether your account is active and not suspended or unmanaged. If the problem started after a password change, sign out of all sessions and remove saved passwords from the browser. Next, check Box service status online to confirm there is no ongoing outage affecting logins. Finally, collect screenshots of the exact error message and the time it happened, then send them to IT support for faster help. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Box tutorials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.